on, dude.
The signal you just heard was our weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm System. We normally conduct this test on Wednesdays right around this time, a little after 11 o'clock in the morning. However, if there's a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, we'll postpone the test until the next available good weather day.
Early?
Be advised that weather conditions will affect the signal quality of the broadcast. We'll activate the warning alarm tone for hazardous watches or warnings for the following counties. On 162.40 megahertz from Onondaga, those counties are Branch, Calhoun, Clinton, Eaton, Gratiot, Hillsdale, Ingham, Jackson, Livingston, and Shiawassee. On 162.425 megahertz from West Olive, those counties are Allegan, Muskegon, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Hesperia, those counties are Muskegon, Newaygo, and Oceana. On 162.525 megahertz from Mount Pleasant, those counties are Clare, Gratiot, Isabella, Macasta, Midland, Montcalm, and Osceola. On 162.55 megahertz from Canonsburg, those counties are Allegan, Barry, Ionia, Kent, Montcalm, Muskegon, Newaygo, Oceana, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Plainwell, those counties are Allegan, Barry, Van Buren, Kalamazoo, and Calhoun. Finally, on 162.425 megahertz from Wolf Lake, those counties are Manistee, Wexford, Mason, Lake, Osceola, Oceana, Newaygo, and Macasta. This concludes the test of the No Weather Radio warning alarm device. Have a great day.
This dude!
Thanks for listening to the Weather Radio Station
They tested
34 in Plainwell.
10 minutes or 15 minutes early. It's 11:04. They tested 11:15.
The current time is 11:04 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Okay.
Conditions around the area is not expected at this time. Now here is the forecast. Today, mostly cloudy. Showers likely and chance of thunderstorms through the day. Highs around 80. Northwest wind 5 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 60%. Tonight, partly cloudy through midnight, then becoming...
See what activates. EAS did.
This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm. During periods of under cloudy skies.
Oh, come on, not WX99.
Lake Michigan and McSable Point.
Why am I getting WX99 now?
Every Wednesday at 11 a.m. When there is a threat of broadcast alarm will vary at any given location. This is more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. Will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, Mount Chelsea, Elkhart, LaGrange, Dupin, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Whitley, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Blackbird, Alaska, and Jay. In Ohio, William, Fulton, Defiant, Henry, Paulding, and Van Wert. And in Michigan, Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, and Hillsdale. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWS and click on NOAA Weather Radio under local information. We now return to normal programming.
Come on. Yeah. Well. As you can tell, propagation not in my favor because clouds. So I can't get it in my room. So I had to come out here and I still can barely get it. I can't get it on the 400. That's really... I don't know, that might have been WXN 99. Except this,
4 inches and steady.
no issue. The WR 120,
Of 72.
no issues. The 262, however, this thing just sucks at getting stations. Same spot and everything. I mean, this isn't the original antenna. I should probably put it back on, but yeah. These two, this one's just... the 259's a great radio, but it does not do good for DXing. The H254 activated, though. Now that's going to be on there for 6 hours. So yeah. Oh. So they tested late, and then Grand Rapids tested early. Interesting. Okay. Well, there it is.